Hi, this is a testimonial for Scott Jansen. My name is Bina and I joined his course last year. It's called Advanced Conversational Hypnotherapy. Now, this therapy is just wonderful. Just having a conversation with my client, getting to the root and the cause with them during the session. It runs between half an hour to an hour and a half maximum. What I love about it is there's no scripts, there's no recording, it's effective. My clients understand because they're so relaxed and calm. I am an anxiety expert, so I help clients to have low self-esteem, fear of the unknown, and sometimes they are quite resistant, and knowing it's hypnotherapy, this really is helpful. If you are considering joining Scott's program, just do it. He's absolutely wonderful. He's supportive, he's professional, and he will just support you all the way through it, and as he has me, and I've helped my clients through this wonderful advanced conversational hypnotherapy. So if you want to join, don't think about it, just do it now. I want to thank you, Scott, so much for everything that you've done for me and my clients. I just feel so happy. I just cannot believe how easy and wonderful and effective this therapy is. This hypnotherapy is just amazing. It's out of this world. So thank you again, Scott. And for everyone out there that wants to join, or even thinking, is this for me? It definitely is. It is for me, and I've never looked back now. I've loved it and I use it all the time. Thank you, Scott, and good luck.